Listen up! 27% of your employees feel less productive because they don't feel organized enough. Put that together with the 96% of office workers who are frustrated by their company's information management, and it all adds up to means it's your fault. Not to worry, NetHunt are here. Everybody's favorite Gmail CRM and learning hub that's gonna help you and your business grow. Today, we're looking at one of the better-known but lesser-utilized organization tools for your business. Here comes part of one of our Google Contacts tutorial for productivity for beginners. The tools are there. Use them. So, why is Google Contacts good for office productivity? Google Contacts works together with all your other Google programs: Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive. Is that when you have everything in one place, a centralized system of data management to stop you dipping in and out of different tabs all the time. Want to know the best thing? It's absolutely free. Piqued your interest? No, I would. How do we find Google Contacts? Easy. Hit those 3 little dots at the top right-hand corner of the Google homepage and find Contacts. Bam! You're already there. Alternatively, you can type contacts.google.com into your address bar and bam, there you are again. But wait, NetHunt's top office tip knows an even easier way. Hit the settings button in Gmail, find the general tab and scroll halfway down the page until you find the keyboard shortcut switcher. Switch that bad boy on and save your changes. You can now open up Google Contacts wherever you are in Google by hitting G and C on your keyboard at the same time. Bam! The next logical step on your Google Contacts adventure is to start saving some contacts. Easy. Head to Google Contacts and hit Create a Contact. Fill out all of the basic information and hit the Show More button to find more fields to fill in. If your tired ass can't even be bothered to do that, the automatically add to contact setting in Gmail is switched on by default. So, anybody you email will automatically be added to your Google Contacts without you having to lift another finger. But if your contact mask gets a little bit too messy, you can switch it off in the settings under Create Contacts for autocomplete. If you made a mistake, like this guy, don't worry. Mistakes happen. How to add it in Google Contacts? Again, easy. Find the contact in Google Contacts and click it. The contact will pop up and all you need to do is hit the little pen or pencil, whatever it is in the top right-hand corner. That same screen you saw when you were creating the contact pops up and you can fix or add whatever you want in there. Mistakes happen, yeah, but they're bad. Your data is your business and you need to protect it at all costs. Luckily, it's easy in Google Contacts. You can back up your contacts from your iPhone by downloading the Google Drive app from the App Store and heading straight to Settings and enabling backup. Now your iPhone contacts are gonna go straight into your Google Drive contacts. But maybe you're not so fancy with a fancy iPhone. So you need to know how to back up your contacts to Gmail and contacts to Android. Backing up to Android is even easier. Your contacts are already backing up to contacts as we speak. If you want to make sure that's true, then check the settings in your phone. For small businesses looking to get on top of their data, Google Contacts is sent from heaven. Only when you know how to use it will you turn those employee frowns upside down. Tune in next time, watch our second video on Google Contacts productivity, where we've got some advanced tips for turning your Google Contacts into a top productivity tool. Until then, like, comment, and subscribe. NetHunt over and out.